My name is Robert Mesa. I work for the United States Postal Service. I love my family, I love my outdoor life, and I love it here at Chiropractic Plus. I broke my leg carrying mail. I just couldn't do anything. I couldn't do my job. Things got continually worse. They said after doctor's visits I was going to have a knee replacement. And being a carrier, that's really important because you have to carry mail, and you have to depend on your body. And my gait, my everything changed because of the mail bag, the weight of it. Everything got worse. My condition got worse. My health got worse, and it just led to other problems. Specifically, I wasn't as active. I started to weight gain. I was really competitive in sports. I played softball. I loved to ski. Just, playing with the friends, football, whatever. And I couldn't do that anymore. I went to my personal doctor, and she recommended therapy, and what her thing was giving me medication, more pills, muscle relaxers, just pills that really didn't help. I heard about Dr. Ray and Chiropractic Plus through my daughter-in-law, and on Facebook, I decided I really need to go there and check it out. My first impression here was the family environment, something I wanted to be involved with. Dr. Ray's approach was telling me pretty much what I needed to do and how he was going to help me with that. I just turned 58, and I feel like there's nothing I can't do. I'm going to get back to weightlifting, playing softball, running my first marathon in August. And I feel with the weight loss that I've experienced here, I'm going to be able to do that. I would recommend Dr. Ray. I myself had no faith in anybody I've seen before, and he'll help you get back to where you need to be.